Palangi, this morning we welcome you. It's 7:35, it's 25 to 8, and it's time to wake up. If you want to sleep, if you just about to sleep, please be sleep in a quiet zone.
If you want to sleep, don't sleep this morning.
Zero Bites, quality product from Punjas Biscuit. Thank you very much for the Ouch Palangi show this morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Siamo tu nabi tolili, siamo tu nabi tolili salah sama kan dapat tolong mekiran korang na buku ni bebal ledi berapasindi yang kau bikin rebuni basi, rebuni mini bas, rebuni teks ni boleh binaka. Bina boleh kan tentu kita nabi TFM.
Okay. Also to the people surrounding, thank you very much. Be careful of the children there. The weather is favorable enough, so we can see the rain is coming. It's the plants are very happy. Some place they don't receive water now, they are very happy because of the rain. But some of us, we can't change the weather pattern of life that been given from up above. We are thankful this morning that we continue to secure a place for our children. Because if don't let them alone. Because when they're alone, they're different mind coming into their situation.
Different plan coming
into action. They can cross the river. They can swim in the ocean. They can fly the
airplane.
Be careful. Because they are children. Their mind is children. Their
adults
movement.
take responsibility.
Be responsible. Be resourceful. And be multiply. This morning.
And Rabinaka to Bill Senia, Hector Zig Junior Bulbinaka. Thank you so much for tuning in on VDFM Facebook Live. Brown Tonga. Yes, to all of you, Yan Rabinaka. Likewise to Brown Tonga this morning. To you all people tuning in on the VDFM Facebook Live. And to you listening. Thank you so much. Isa, binaka ni Tambo abisu in the studio.
Okay, this is all weather.
Because Bill is saying the Messi. Bill is saying it's good that is Tambo the pouring water inside the studio.
Okay.
No.
Hindi na gori. Pwede lindo yan na may damot na may lambasan daw bula talaga nanonood. Thank you to Karo TJ. Karo TJ to Nemsi Prasad from Frankfurt from Germany. Not forgetting Jose Patehana and the people around. One fella from Sabu, Poli, the driver of the ambulance and the Ministry of Health from Sabu. We welcome you. Thank you very much for being part of the morning this morning
show.
The gang from the washing machine.
Gori.
We welcome you to this morning. Korto na gang saba. Thank you very much for your entire life.
To everyone who's working, every person that is working.
Every kidney from Nandera Center, Domula Simon and Banuwe, Auckland, New Zealand. Thank you very much to Semi to Kawakawa, Rafa Ramasi from Queensland in the north, and also to Albert Uliviti.
Gori.
Tonga Matanisinga. Hello, are you there? Thank you, Lemilandonu, this morning.
Yes, you know, when you were saying about the Besui stuff and all the Bakatawasi when you in the village, sometimes when you close your eyes in the morning and you heard some, hey, Tabale is still sleeping, come, pour the water, attack. And that time, your nervous system is not good at all.
Yes, because of the grog,
Because of the grog last night. Yes. You are right, Elnoa. You are right.
Some of us this morning, we are sweaty early in the morning. And because we are running from the water. The water is running after us. Make sure you are not the salt. When you watering, wait this morning.
Buone bueti berrata, Renaka.
Mulai benaka karua mombo. Kita boleh bicara joining this morning. Also to the LM something. Supervisory corridor to Rosami. Thank you. We welcome you this morning.
Mone said, the road to Mbua is very nice.
Oh, who are you to come there?
Tasiri na katuna nguni salama Mbua.
Ako yo. Wasto sinabi, Marasiko. Mula binaka from na Malabao in Tailebu.
Gori, ano na to Rudy Wanga, Maramotawata from Nabosai.
Who?
Maramotawata from Nabosai.
How?
Thank you so much for tuning in on VTFM.
Okay. Tamay Makilina, you look, Yeah.
You look salty, Demesi. You look salty.
Yeah. Middlemore Hospital. Who's that? Auckland this morning. Tixilote, Stephen Nene Rokoanga, and also to the people joining this morning.
Wairiki in Boa, Tamaisaki, and Ravinaka. And Sarah Mataki, tuning in from Christchurch this
Right.
morning. Good morning.
Yes, Karuti J.
Okay.
Thank you so much for tuning in and all the passengers. Thank you so much for loving the BTFM Ellen this morning. And
Who's that fella going to the island and use the finger to point the cave? and the mosquito coming out.
Oh!
Jao.
Hey!
Jao.
To my uncle.
Yeah.
One and only uncle from Narambale. The village name,
Yeah.
not the village name, the Tico Tico, eh?
Alright.
His Tico Tico name is Somalia.
Settlement.
Somalia.
Yeah.
Settlement,
Yes.
settlement,
Okay.
eh?
Settlement.
Somalia. My uncle here went to one village in Kabewa.
Oh.
Kabewa Island.
Yeah.
Huh.
And in Kabewa, there's a hole there.
Yeah.
There's the mosquito inside.
Oh.
If you
The
poke,
whole of the mosquito.
yeah, the whole of the mosquito.
Yun, nangaranina mungo.
Garinamu. If you poke the mosquito, if you
Yeah.
knock the garinamus,
Yeah.
same time the namu will bite everywhere inside the village.
So, it's isang ni bataray, mendua mendaw lagi buat tonok ka ng garninamu.
It's not allowed.
Bayad ka na lauto ng garninamu, enteresin niya wala rawa.
Sinya wala rawa.
Alakat ito nga na namu.
Never mind.
That's the rules of this case.
Hey, Eleanor, never mind if you put around you the mosquito coil.
Yeah.
Never mind if you put the mosquito net.
Yeah.
Never mind you inside the water.
Ah.
The mosquito will bite you.
Siya nga, kursa buat tentang.
Hey, Demasi.
Okay, truce,
You don't
truce.
believe me. You from Monolemu. See,
Nandi.
you two from Monolemu. You say everything I say. You say
Yeah.
believe me.
Okay.
So my uncle,
Hell
he
is
So
close.
the mosquito there can swim.
can swim, can fly, can go under the water and everything. So
Crocodile.
my uncle used to listen to the story, and when he went to that village, he poked at night.
Huh.
He poked. Same
Yeah.
time after he poked the hole,
Ho.
here.
Jao.
Same time he asked one of the tamale,
Okay.
hey, can you take me to
Hole.
Punolebu,
Ah.
to that side
Yeah.
of the island?
Yeah.
Because I want to go to my village.
Okay.
I thinking one thing in tomorrow, I'll do one thing tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I have to go now.
Okay.
Hey, so what about the song of tomorrow?
Okay.
No, I have to go now tonight.
Rapi.
So, the tamale, same time, take my uncle to this side
Yeah.
to come to our village.
Okay.
And when my uncle already left, there's people
He's a
there.
very naughty fella, uncle from Somalia.
All the people there was biting by the mosquito.
Yeah.
And they was wondering, the Tronikoro, maybe someone
Ho.
poke the garinamus. Yeah,
Yeah.
a mosquito hole. And
Yeah.
same time, one of the people there, they have Rosa.
They telling the story because they know. It's their land. They know the rules of the mosquito.
Yeah, they was
If
angry.
you poke the hole, the mosquito will surround it.
Yeah, they
They're
was
really
angry.
yeah.
And they tell, hey, who people know who poked the mosquito hole? You know who? And same time, the Tronikoro said, I want to know who poked the hole. Who? And that same time they said,
Yeah.
Betty.
Who's Betty?
My uncle.
Oh,
My uncle is very different. And by that time, my uncle is very different. Very naughty, eh? Very naughty. And after 5 years, the Messi,
Yeah.
after 5 to 6 years,
Okay.
my uncle was do one thing.
Cara masuk na namu.
My uncle was do one thing, and and they put him to court, eh? When they put him to court, and the court
Alis
said,
tala mo merongo-rongo.
and the court said, you will not go in jail because the thing you do is not good. It's a small thing.
You destroy the family of the
Accident,
mosquito.
accidentally poked.
Yeah.
Accident. You will not go to jail. You just go to the Ministry of Fisheries.
Yeah.
You'll work there. Without pay. You'll work
Ela
there
baru
without
boleh
pay.
baik na namu.
And same time, my uncle was my uncle was working with the fisheries.
Iyo.
And my uncle didn't notice that this fisheries thing
Yeah.
will take him to Kabewa.
Oh, to the island back.
To the island back. My uncle didn't want to go back there.
Oh.
It's after 5 years.
Because he knew.
He knew when he come there,
He know.
all the people there will buturake him.
Oh.
Iyo. And then when they come to Ruanrua, they telling the story about the fish and everything.
Mula siya main ruan-ruan.
Yeah, Bulbinaka. Like they telling the what you call you to tell people, eh?
Oi, to Santubam.
Iya, makan to preach. Preach the thing about the fisheries.
Yeah.
And if they want something, they have to tell the boat, the Indini, everything. And when they go to Rundrua, after Rundrua,
Yeah.
my uncle thought they'll come back to Lambasa.
Right.
And when he saw the boat. The
Uncle
fiber.
married or not?
Uncle that time not married.
Oh, Julum.
I saw he saw the boat.
Uncle.
He saw the boat going across to Kabewa.
Right.
And he told the boss, the big boss of fisheries,
Yeah.
stop.
Who's?
Hey, what happened? I don't want to go there. Are we going there? Are we
Yeah.
going to Kabewa?
Right.
Yeah, we're going to Kabewa. I don't want to go there.
Right.
Because myself, after 5 years now, I was there. And I poked the hole of the mosquito. Huh? So what will we do now?
Yeah.
The thing we'll do now, you give me your
See my hand.
uniform. Your boss thing. I will be the boss now. If you want to take me there, I'll be the boss now.
Okay.
Same time the boss change the clothes, give him the parola medala, the necktie, the long shirt, the sulbakatanga, the saddle, and one sunglass.
Yeah.
Same time when they reach that shore in Kabewa,
Yeah.
two beautiful ladies were there,
Oh.
Yeah.
to welcome them. And this, when they saw, they didn't say "Bula" or
Yeah.
something. They just say, "Huh, Betty?" And
They recognize the
they recognize
uncle.
my uncle.
Yeah.
And my uncle was not,
The CEO.
Sombo.
Yeah.
These two should not recognize me. And I said, oh, these people must be thinking about the mosquito.
Yes.
Yeah.
And when
They
they went to
recognize
the
the
hall,
person who poked the mosquito.
yeah. When they went to the hall,
Yeah.
when he was about to preach about the fisheries,
Yeah.
and the Tronicor said, Betty, don't preach of the fisheries. I want to ask you something. 5 years you poke the hole of the mosquito. Why you do that? Same time my uncle said, Tronicoro, stop that nonsense. Stop that. Betty is now changed. Betty, you know Betty now? Betty now is the boss of the fisheries in the north.
Betty bought a bata and the bata was beaten.
And they said,
Yeah.
my uncle said, anything you want, because I poke the hole of the mosquito.
Yeah.
Anything you want, just write in a piece of paper and give to me. I'm the boss now. And when the people, they start the meeting,
Yeah.
and when the people of Capeo, they ask a question, and same time, my uncle said to the big boss, the real boss, hey, boy, answer the question. Same time, answer the question. They write the net of the fish.
Yeah.
The
Fishing line.
The fishing line.
Yeah.
Some of them even wrote the
Mountain bike.
Yeah.
the generator of the boat. Some of them they write the boat.
Right.
And they said, don't worry. And all of them was happy and no more talking about the mosquito whole thing. Then Betty, now you're the boss.
Yes.
We all love you. We will take care of you if you come
Forget
here
about
again.
the mosquito.
Forget about the mosquito.
Right.
Your credit is Boko now.
Okay.
Same time, oh yeah, my uncle, eh? And when my uncle get into the boat, and he look back, he didn't see anyone. Like,
Yeah.
it's far from them,
Yes.
Yeah.
And he said, "Hi, Nimode, I'm not the boss. I'm just here working for under my coat." And he take all the paper.
Yeah.
Go away, all the fish will eat your paper. And
Uncle Betty change the sea to incinerator. Binabalik sa Punjas Zero Bites, quality product of Punjas
Yeah.
Biscuit. Thank you Binaka to
Yeah.
to Uncle Betty from Samalia Settlement in the
Yes, sir.
where?
To all my uncle family in Somalia, Narambale, and Binaka, thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah.
Bula Binaka. Bakatalay kama bula Binaka jet set town dong bula reapi en nakanailangi. Nambuwawan ni Bukatalew dong bula Binaka be city be ni Nene Rokoanga.
Dole
John
ako.
Kumar.
Hey, Demes, it's tomorrow brother
Hey,
from
lewat
Brother
mo, lewat
Belly.
Oh, lewat do.
Hey, brother Ju, harap nagtasigo.
Nambuwa HBK dong bula Binaka Hotbread Kitchen Mila Nanio Lo Lichi.
Bulan Damoni.
Mbui
Bula
Sinyango
Binaka, John
Wangaran
Kumar.
Ere masi dokere sabu bula Binaka and also to Bill Mbombo J Matea.
Bill Rombo, Bula Binaka, Reapi, Naikalangi. How do you poke the garninamu?
Using the
Using the hands.
Masih boleh binaka, Bill Rombo, dobita na lesenia. Saya masartuk may papilo na mata na niko. Yan
Bula binaka may Babylon.
Iya bu, na saya mati kumai.
Era masih tokai sabu, bula bay kakaya, bula bina, brother Joe! Bula bina tadingu, bulan domoni.
Bula binaka, John Kumar, chiringin from Barara Valley Road, Singatoka.
Wasitilanga, Batalay Kama, Ngunitino Koko, Dombula, Epi Baganranu, J. Mateo, Noxman, Resoro lang Sorbagarua, may wat kola gulmay.
Sadala kango, sadala.
Ha?
Domoni, you huro.
Hey!
Brown tonga, brother Joe, Ivan Lalambalagun Dimbedi, Queenie Peckham, Kurwaki, Facet Mana, Dombula Binaka, may na CBS Civil Team, Ofu babaw ni tonga malopito. Elias sawe. Mbulare masta, mbulare. Asiti beni nene rokoda kemudo. Meleng kali turang Dombula. Bisber kauta, binabali buntawa street na tambuan Dombula, binabali usara. Ulbe simbale buya. And everyone, benetsare, mbula benaka.
Asbero si masi salnya talendua yang binaka may napakay nandi Lena yang binaka MS Wangalebu Alfred Kikau barong sartik may na Northern Territory may Ositerelia.
Sandina.
Yang binaka.
Bula binaka may Filmon in rumah, binabali basya machikumai. Sabi kata lagi na may Billy Rombo, kilo ni turanga, toba.
Masta toba yang binaka yanra.
Isa, masta bula siya. Salse ini Ramusu Muakalau, kami ni Elisalu John Kumar, bulan domoni. Yang mata ko Romava, bikam ni kadang sasar sikumay. Dulu mo like.
Right.
Dulu mo siya.
Lapatali.
Meron ni sarap talang oran mo nitokan ni natalon ni poke of the mosquito hole and this morning.
Kita begitu sadama binabali sarang na muningaw nang gay like seta kato seta kada non dalay binamata binani kuwa na ito kanin dani bengkarabi.
Turang